Hello and welcome to the forecast for the North American financial markets. We're going to lead off today with the US dollar. We had a sell signal on December 31st and it sort of went flat here after that, but it remained as short and today it popped. You can see we had a big bar down today. And the reason I wanted to point this out is because we are at quite a bit of support right now. We have an old equal line swing target. We also have the halfway point between the 7 and the 6 wave. That was the big up move before we went into what should be a bull flag, even though it broke down. And we also, of course, have the span B right here. So we're sitting at 3 points of support. And before we end that, take a look at what's going on the 60-minute chart. We're right at the equal line swing target and an older target on that time frame as well. Look how far away it is from the cloud. This does not suggest that there's no way, no how is it going to go lower from here. We do have a 0.618 target not too far below. It's 94,676. It may very well go to it, but right now this is a spot where it may bounce. So if you did take this short, then you may want to take some off the table just to lock in a little bit of profit in case it bounces and bounces up. As I said, right now it's at a support point, and it's probably going to at least go flat for a few bars, if not bounce up. It had a big down day, and it is sitting at support. It's unlikely it's going to cleanly break straight down to the 0.618 target. If it does, you're in no worse shape other than you took off a little of your position. Now, if you're using the conservative entry, you're probably not in yet, in which case you may not even be able to use the 0.618 target. You may have to hold off for the target below that at 94.61. Now, there is some, the one thing about this trade is there is energy behind it. We did have a flat period before it. I'd expected it to break up because usually it breaks back in the direction from which it came, which in this case was up. If it is going to break down, then there'll be something behind it. I just think that right now, more than likely, we're going to have a little bit of flatness to up before we break down, if that's going to happen. 60-minute chart already showed it to you, but basically it's in a strong downtrend. Big move today. You can see that we're way from the cloud on this time frame. That's another suggestion. We may go flat for the next day or two, flat to up. This cloud will catch up relatively quickly. It's going to come down very fast on the 13th. And right now we're setting support. So that's the way it looks on the US dollar. Hi, thanks for watching today's video. This is Robert Charles, and I wanted to invite you to join us at Ichimoku where each trading day we forecast the American, European, and Asian financial markets. Included with our forecasts are actionable trade picks that you can take advantage of. So get all this information and more by visiting IchimokuCloudTrends.com. Our goal is to help you make money. We'll see you there.